Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Nutam Gupta. I am sending the second video of preening chapter. In first video we have the explanation of the preening. Now in this video we will discuss the book exercise and the question answer. First we will discuss the activity which you have to complete in your course book. Second activity is which word are more likely to preen themselves than others. Then you have to identify the word which preen themselves. So you have to circle the preening word, those who are doing themselves, preening themselves. In activity second activity is the poem contain several words and that is describe action of the word. Use the clue to complete the crossword and find out what these words are. We can also use these words to describe our actions. इसमें कुछ वर्ड्स दिए एक पजल है ये. Some words are given here. Hint are given here. You have to identify the words which are given in the poem. So we will start from the across. First hint is to put back into place. Tuck. Third is to jump up suddenly. Spring. Fourth, to clean the feather with the beak. Preen. To fly quickly upward. Soar. To strengthen bird's body. Stretch. Now we will discuss the down. First is to turn or bend, twist, to eat or chew in small bits, nibble. Fifth is to stretch in order to get or touch something, reach. And last one is 8, to bend low with arms and legs close to the body. Answer is crouch. So you have to complete these book exercise, these two exercise in your book. Now we will discuss the learn to read. Question answer. First question as given in your book. Who is the speaking to us in the poem? In this poem, give reason for your answer. First think about it, then give the answer. Okay. Now answer is different kinds of the words are speaking to us in this poem. We can say by this line, preening every day is price we pay. The word the word we tells us that these are the words themselves who are talking to us in this poem. Second question is, the speaker referred to preening as a chore. Find a word in the poem that describe a chore. Answer is the bird bore. Describe the chore. Third question is, why does preening have to be done? Preening क्यों होनी चाहिए? Answer is, preening have to be done to make birds strong and fit enough to fly high in the sky. Now fourth question, find a word in the poem that has the same meaning as being airborne. Does the speaker enjoy being airborne? ऐसा वर्ड ढूंढना है हमें पोएम में से जिसका मीनिंग सेम बीइंग एयरबोर्न से रिलेटेड हो. आंसर इज द बर्ड्स फ्लाइंग हैज द सेम मीनिंग एज बीइंग एयरबोर्न. यस, द बर्ड्स एंजॉय फ्लाइंग. इट इज अ डिलाइट फॉर देम. Fifth is, do you think the speaker longs to do great thing? Answer is yes, birds long to do the great thing like rise high, spring and soar. Now question 6 is, the poet has used powerful yet simple words that help us see images. Close your eyes as you listen to the poem being read aloud. What can you see? List the words that make you see and picture some action. जब आप पोएम को जोर से पढ़ते हैं तो आपके दिमाग में एक इमेज बनती है. तो वो इमेजेस के लिए कौन कौन से वर्ड्स हमने यूज़ किए हैं इस पोएम में? Answer is the words that help us to see the images are leg out, tuck, stretch, wing down, leg in, bend, nibble, crouch, spring, soar, etc. Pick the words that rhyme in the word. Answer is the rhyming words are in the poem is chore, bore, soar, night, delight, day, pay. Now you have to complete the activity 1 in your copy notebook. Collect pictures of the words preening themselves. You have to collect some pictures of words those who are doing preening themselves and paste it in your notebook after the question bank. Now homework is you have to frame the some questions for the question bank and you have to write in your notebook. Then you have to paste the picture. Thank you.